Ogene nyobe. Jehovah nyobe o. Jesu yo, oh Jesu. Ona no nwobi woji mo wena. Aha. Okitere nyobe o. My children.
Yes, Baba.
You said since the past 10 years after your marriage, you've not been able to bear children.
You are very correct, sir.
I will help you. I will help you.
Thank you, Baba.
Ogene woruno we yere kebe. Ijesu me woruno we yere kebe. Ogene woruno we yere kebe. Ijesu me woruno we yere kebe. My daughter.
Yes, Papa.
Take this.
Thank you.
This evening, before you meet your husband, drink 2 spoons.
2 spoons, okay, Papa.
10 minutes after drinking it, you cannot sleep with your husband.
Okay, Papa.
1 week after you've confirmed that you are now pregnant, both of you should come back here so that I will complete the processes. You can go.
Thank you, Papa. May the gods be with you.
And you too.
May the gods protect you, Papa. Thank you.
Thank you, Baba. If this thing work as you take talk and Baba, no be you don't need to tell me I can't thank you. I go carry plenty gift, come here, come take worship you, take thank you, Baba.
You can go.
Thank you, Baba.
May the gods be with you. Jesu yo, Jesu. Ona nungubi woji mo wena.
Honey, I'm back.
Baby, you don't come back.
See me, oh.
Wait, come back. I know say you don't tire. Come sit down, sit down, sit down. So how you go now?
Tada, check out now. Positive.
Wow!
Aye.
We are expecting a baby. After 10 years of waiting, oh, finally God don't remember us. Ah, baby, I love you so much. This news sweet me for Pele. Baby, you know what? We'll go see Baba based on our last discussion.
I beg. Baby, you go stop this thing with this talk. I beg, stop him. Who be Baba? Which Baba? Who tell you say na Baba na give me this child when me carry so? Now God na give me. Now God na they give children. Which Baba?
You forget what Baba talk, Daddy.
I beg, oh, I no wan put hand for any diabolical thing. We go call affect my pikin for future. I beg, my hand no dey.
No, baby, now you not fit to say your hand no day now.
Honey, I beg, I no fit. You see this topic, we go drop am. As I dey like this, so I dey very tired. I beg, I won't go sleep.
Baby, now you not fit talk like that.
Honey, I beg, I no fit. I beg.
Extension. I bet me you take out here. Take out. Now God now they bring, now they take. They hear me so? Yeah, baby. Madam do. Take out here.
Easy.
Mi de se ko nyobe. Ogana me nyobe o, nyobe. I Jesu me nyobe o, nyobe. Why are you here?
Baba, we are sorry. She lost the child.
I know. Ordinary simple instruction you can't follow. I remember telling you to come back here a week after you confirmed that you are pregnant so that I can complete the processes. Yet you did not come. What do you want me to do?
Baba, sorry, Baba. Is there anything we can do? Maybe we can just start all over again, Baba. We are ready to do anything at all.
There is nothing that can be done. Are you aware that pregnancy was supposed to open doors for the rest of your children? Now leave my shrine.
You see waiting your stubbornness. If you touch me again, I'll blow your eye. You see waiting your stubbornness cause. You see waiting your everywhere you want to claim rights. Simple instruction when Baba tell us. The only opportunity now for big girl picking after 10 years of marriage. Now you don't see blow and throw away. After not follow me, I don't want me near. If you touch me again, I'll blow your eye. I don't want me you near my house again. See, as it stands right now, this marriage is over. It's over. I want to go bring the rest of your team. Baba, you marry her.
Oga. It's okay. Madam, now that your husband have left you here, me and my juju, we don't leave you here too. You have escaped. Calm down. You have escaped.